So we have coming up on January 27th, 2025, our third annual Laudato Si lecture. And we're really pleased to have Rev.Dr. Ray Aldred, who directs Indigenous Studies program at Vancouver School of Theology. He's an amazing speaker. He brings together his Christian belief and his Indigenous tradition, and he's going to talk to us about how Pope Francis's Laudato Si encyclical has a message for everyone, whether you're Catholic, Christian, or not. But he's going to bring together both the Indigenous thought and the Christian thought about care for creation. And this is something we all need to be concerned about. Dr. Ray Aldred, a great speaker, a great person, and we're so pleased to have him. So please join us. It's on January 27th at 7 p.m. at St. Mark's College. It's free, but please do register at Eventbrite.